we're going to do a venting screen today. The pieces that we need, we got cam lock, we have the operator, we got a handle, we got some keepers. That's all back in the storage room, all right? So now I'm just gonna take you to the jigs that we need.
So this is where you keep the jigs. Two that I need are these two. Mainly because they have slots for the cam lock. That will be used on the panel. So you'll set it and it just hooks right onto the top. Usually you get someone else to help you. You'll push it flush against all parts and then take a self-centering bit and pre-drill into these holes here all the way down. For the frame, when you're doing the cam locks, you'll take out the weather stripping here and set it right in against it and just push it up to the frame. We have a spot on there that says top, and with the self-centering bit, you'll pre-drill these holes here. All the way down.
Now I have the holes. Please.
Cam lock and screw them in into the bottom and the top using the 1 and 1/4 flatheads. Add our hooks to lock the panel when it's being closed. These hooks will go facing you like this and using the same screws that we used before. And then the long ones will go in the 2 center ones facing in towards the panel. Once you have everything in, you just put your weather stripping back in from where you got it out.
Gonna bring this in. You just need to interlock with each other, flip the lever to lock them into place. And then we crank the door closed. So I'm just gonna crank it closed. And flip the cam locks to check it. And we're good. So all we have left to do is a cover plate over here. It's gonna go over top of that. So I'll just show you how that kind of fits in there. So that's gonna cover it over top of these. And as you can see, it's on the long side. So now I gotta trim it to size. So I'm gonna measure from the top down to the top of the cam lock. That's 7.5. Come over and hook onto that. Come up 7.5. So, we're 82.25 just right. So, that tape measure, I measured back, it's 3/4 of an inch from the front face back to the surface of this. I just line that up. Now I'm just putting the screws in to tighten it onto the frame. Tighten in some areas, not in others, so I gotta pre-drill a couple more holes. Pull through the mechanism. frame for the screen system around the outside. So it's cut. So that's going to sit like that. So now we got to put tape on the back.
Mike just called me the shop daddy. I like that. That was a nice ring good.
Our back's got to go. In this case here we're at just under 7. It's around 7/8. Oh, work. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that out loud, eh? Put some shims in, hold the screen into place. If we can get it back. Yeah, this little pad here that we're going to put, and actually just super glue a couple of shims around the inside to help pull that in. Then tape to the back of these to make it easy and quick to install them. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that.